Hi guys, welcome to WP Experts. So today we are going to learn how to turn off PHP WordPress error or warnings or pop-up error. Sometimes error show on the top of our website, but our website works proper. So simply we don't need to solve the error. We need to simply hide the error because this is not affecting our website. So how to turn off? So first of all we need to log in our cPanel, then go in the file manager. After going to file manager, go to public HTML, and here we need to find the wp/config.php file. So here you can see w.config php. So we have to edit this file. Click edit button, and here we have to find the file command define wp debug true. So here we have to find. So you can see define wp debug, but there is we found false. So this mean, so we can try with it. If you found false, then create it true. So save it, then go it and refresh site. So error is not gone. So we have to write false. So then if we write false, then paste this code below this statement. So save it, then refresh it. So you can see error has been gone or hide it. So do not face any error. I artificially create error to record the video. So our main purpose is to hide the error. So I have successfully hide the error. So I am going to remove the 500 error. It will not face by you because we create conditions to record video. So you will see it. Okay, site will be work proper. So subscribe our channel and hit a like button if video is help you. Goodbye.